Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create new page on Wix. So let's go to the browser first, and you have to click on this page. Sorry, this one page or home. Click on this drop down menu. You can see here, right? Click on this, and you'll find here all of your menu and sub menu over here. You have to click on manage pages. Now you can see here add page. Click on add page. Now you have to choose any template you want, like I'm gonna make a page for my contact menu. So I'm gonna click on this. You can see all of the pages over here, or all of the uh, template over here. You have to choose one. Just click on add page, and it will take some seconds. And you can see that contact, you have to click on done. Now click on contact us, and this page will be here. Okay, so this is how you can add a page in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.